Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Firstly, we would like to apologize to you for the infrequent nature of our uploads nowadays, but that's primarily because we were dealing with some other concepts and we are trying to bring a lot of new stuff as far as Profit and Equities are concerned. Firstly, we are working on a new website with a new look and feel, more features, etc. Secondly, we are trying to come to you with more live chats, and that would happen via our Facebook page. We'll be providing the link to the Facebook page in the description section. Going forward, every Saturday we'll be having one such live chat. Now, in a recent development, Akash Prakash's Amansa Holdings has bought close to 2.92 lakh shares of a building products retailer at rupees 676.24 and rupees 679.98 on the NSE and the BSE respectively. Now, this stock was the poster boy of the last bull run. However, its value declining by 60% and Akash Prakash buying it just seems to indicate that he finds value in the stock at this particular moment. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now, the company in question is Shankara Building Products Limited, which is available at rupees 693.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is SHANKARA. Now, Shankara Building Products Limited is an India-based company engaged in the business of organized retail of home and building products. Now, the 1-year chart indicates that this company has been a dog of a stock and a lot of wealth has been eroded in this particular company. The market cap of the company is 1585.29 crores, which indicates that the company is a small cap one. The company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 45.89, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry PE 50.88. The book value of 138.59 also translates into a slightly expensive price to book ratio of 5.01. The dividend yield here is 0.47%, whereas the promoter holding for the company stands at a decent number of 56.21%. Now friends, please remember that the stock went on a dream run post its listing and became a multi-bagger many times over. However, the recent correction was severe and of late a lot of brokerages like IDFC Securities have gone ahead and downgraded the stock to underperformer. Also friends, always keep in mind that anything that you watch on this channel is not intended to be a recommendation. It's always intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.